In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy Carnival physical gift cards online. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now type in carnival.ourgiftcards.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Carnival. In this interface, you'll be able to choose the card. You'll be able to see various card type over here. You'll be able to find the options like gift cards, e-gift cards, corporate orders. So if you want to buy the physical gift card, what you have to do is click on this option, mail a gift card. Once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to customize your gift. If you want to give it as a gift, make sure to click on this option, give as a gift. But if you want to buy for yourself, click on this option, buy for myself. Once you do that, enter the card value over here. Click on the field of card value. After that, you'll be able to enter the card value. Once you do that, what you have to do is enter your name. Click on the field of your name and enter the name over here. Now scroll down. Now also specify the quantity. You'll be able to see the question, how many would you like? Click on this field. Now enter the quantity over here. If you would like to add a gift card tin to your order, you can check on this box that you can see right over here on your screen. After you do that, click on this option, add to cart, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, this particular gift card will be added to the cart. Now you'll be able to view the cart over here. You'll be able to review the order. What you have to do is click on this option, continue to shipping. Now what you have to do is enter the shipping information. First of all, enter the shipping name. Likewise, what you have to do is enter the street address. Click on the field of street address and enter the street address over here. Also, you can provide the information regarding apartment, floor, etc. Now enter the city. Likewise, select the state. Click on the field of state and select the state. Now enter the zip. Now you'll also be able to choose the shipping method over here. You'll be able to find two options, 2-day, overnight. Click on the option of your choice. You'll also be able to compare the prices over here. After you do that, click on this option, proceed to checkout, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the checkout interface. You'll be able to see the order summary over here. You'll be able to see the product that you have selected, quantity and amount. You'll also be able to see the amount due over here. Simply scroll down. Now what you have to do is enter your billing information. Enter the name on card, card number. First of all, click on the field of name on card and enter the name on card over here. Likewise, enter the card number. Make sure to enter the correct card number. Now select the expiry date. First of all, click on the field of month. Select the month over here, click on the field of year and select the year. After you do that, also enter the CVV. Now scroll down. Now you'll have to provide the address over here. Click on the field of street address. Now provide the street address over here. If you want to enter the apartment or floor, etc., you can enter it over here. Now enter the city. Also select the state over here. Likewise, enter the zip. After you do that, also provide your phone number. Click on the field of mobile phone number and enter it over here. Make sure to enter the correct phone number. Now click on the field of email and enter the email. Make sure to provide the correct email. Now check on this box, I have read and accept the terms and conditions. After you do that, click on this option, check out now, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll have to confirm and complete the transaction. After the transaction is completed, your order will be placed. You'll be able to receive the order according to the shipping that you've selected. So like this, you'll be able to buy the physical gift card. So that is how you buy physical Carnival gift cards online. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.